Pwani University Students Media. It is the Cultural Week 2025 edition. So, what is the difference that you have seen in your culture that maybe compared to other culture, you will still stick to your culture as a
First of all, thank you for this platform. Let me start by saying the event is good, and I'm from the Kikuyu culture, the boldest culture we have in Pwani, and the boldest culture we have at large. First of all, let me say this. Hey, our culture, let me not use the word tribe, but our culture is organized. Not to say that the rest are not, but our culture is organized, our culture is well planned, and our culture is ready to perform, and we are sure we'll be number one. We thank Pwani for this competition because it's bringing people together and it's making us have a sense of belonging so that we feel at home. Yeah, is that answered?
okay. Salamu hata salamu moja mbili tatu in
Yeah,
your
yeah,
culture.
Kikuyu. Oh, so let's do it with you. Wemwega. You answer Demwega.
Wemwega?
Demwega.
Demwega.
Now that's you say habari yako. You say nzuri.
Okay.
Ama kwero watia. That is gotire uru. Kwero watia kuko aje. Nasema hakuna ubaya. Kwero watia gotire uru.
Sijashika hiyo lakini I'll try next time.
Inakubalika,
I like the culture, I like how you are organized, I like the whole event, and we wish you the best in the coming contest.
Yeah, finally, this is Murima. This is the largest community we have in the country, and this is the boldest community we have in the country. I am James Kishuki. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.